are following breaking news right now. The dangerous and sometimes deadly carbon monoxide gas has sickened 2 children and 2 adults in Bucks County. Officials just told Action News that the family was running a generator in the garage of a house in Solebury overnight. That generator filled their Hillcrest Circle home with carbon monoxide, sickening the family. The conditions of the 4 people have not yet been released, but we want to remind everyone that it's a very dangerous thing to do. We know that there are power outages, but we sort of have to be patient and definitely be safe.
Keep it out. So you could have a crack in the door somewhere where you're running the cord, Karen, and it's going to seep right in there, and it's deadly. So you got to keep your generators outside.